got our drink, interview. Alright, so we made it. Sam, how do you feel about this? You like it?
Interesting, yeah.
They just brought out lunch, and this is what it is. Overall, not very impressive, and they have these. This is all they have to watch the movies. It's the Great Thoosie Catastrophe. Oh my god.
I'm so happy.
Can you get your shoes off my area?
I hate Thoozies.
There's way too many enthusiasts in here.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Alright, so me and Sam are walking to Universal. It's like 38 minutes. Because honestly, we don't feel like paying for an Uber. And we both missed the shuttle that we had like an hour to get ready for.
Yeah.
Whoopsies. Look where we are, Universal Studios Hollywood out in California.
So nice not having to wear a mask in California.
I know, I love California. So we're about to ride Scream, Ride It Out Loud at Six Flags Magic Mountain. AJ, are you excited? Yeah, it just got out of refurb. Yeah, they put a nice paint job on it. And they retrofitted, there's no more parking lot underneath. It's some walkways now, so.
Look at this, bro. Come on.
Everyone's filming Peter right now. Peter, shove it in.
Show us how far you can go.
Stop, bro. No one can be watching. No one can be watching. Can we go to this?
Peter, come on, do it. Uh-oh. Cat in the Hat. Look at that. 5 minutes. What a shock. There's no one here.
All hail Cat in the Hat. I'm so excited.
You've never ridden it before.
I'm so excited.
Are you ready for a complete acid trip? Why does he look like that?
What is happening?
I call them thing one.
So this is the typical Thoosie setup at any park. You can see them in their natural habitat, all watching Velocicoaster, waiting for it to test.
I want to go to the bathroom now.
Onwards and upwards, folks. So Colin, no, RC wants to show everyone his cock.
Thoozies play with their cocks.
We love cock. Everyone, pull out your cocks.
You really upgraded your cock. Wow. You really upgraded that cock.
Dude, nice cock, bro. Oh my god.
I am a level 8, level 8 cock.
Yes, sir. That's pretty average.
Yeah,
That's average, yeah, that's average. Alright, good morning everyone. It's like, I don't know, day 4 in Orlando. I finally made it to SeaWorld a few hours after opening because I really like to sleep. Anyways, I'm here and I'm gonna ride Mako. And then I'm probably gonna leave because it's SeaWorld. Alright, so we just rode Infinity Falls, and it was a lot wetter than we were all expecting. We were pretty wet. RC got like screwed over. Marc saw Sophie do good. Owen got screwed over. Owen got screwed over. We all just, it was bad. It was good though. It was awesome.
I hated it, but I loved it.
We all loved it. So now I gotta convince them all to ride Popeyes. So we'll see how that one goes. Oh no. It's not even this drop, that's like worse. Okay. So the bad part's over, so we got one drop left to go. Look at AJ. Watch out. Oh, it's very wet in there.
I'm very wet. There you go.
Okay guys, I didn't vlog much this week, but it is currently 11:17 p.m. I missed my American flight today. Everything was bad. So I got on a Southwest flight. I get here, I come to unlock my car, and my keys are locked inside my car, and then my battery dies. So I have a keypad, but I can't use the keypad because the battery's dead, and my keys are inside the car, so I can't get the jumper cables that are in the back of my car in my trunk because, you know, it's locked. And I can't pop the hood because I need to get inside the car to do it. So it's this whole scenario. Yeah, so that's how my night's going. Happy Sunday, everyone. Okay, everyone, so that's gonna be it for our Orlando vlog. It is a crisp 5 degrees here, and I don't know if you can see it, but probably not. I probably look really stupid doing that, but I can see my breath, and it's really, really cold. So good night, stay warm, don't make the same mistakes I did. Have a good one.
Welcome, Tiki Tiki Squidward's Tiki Land. Tiki Tiki. You can relax all day like a tiki can.